Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to use external image in SSRS Report. We'll be using image from a local drive, then we will be using image from UNC path, and then finally we'll be using image from a website. So let's go ahead and create our report. Open the SSDT SQL Server Data Tools. Right click on the reports, add new item. Click on the report and add. In this case, we do not need data sources or data sets as we are only using a logo here. We are not extracting any data from tables, so we don't need that. Right click here in the design surface, go to insert and then go to the image. Now first of all, we need to see which are the sources available for the image. So here we have embedded, external and database. I have done videos on both of them, embedded and database. You can watch them. Select external in this case and then provide the path where your image is. In my case, my image is in under the videos folder. So right click on the image, go to properties, take the path, copy the path. Now we have a logo.gif. That's the name of my image. I'm going to go to the report and paste right here and write logo.gif. Let me copy this path one time, hit OK. Now once I will go in the design and put the path, it's not showing me anything. I can preview the report and it is throwing me some error. So what is happening here? So what we need to do here, see, okay, following prefixes HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, file, or these things has to be there. So if you are selecting an image from the file system, you have to go back to the image properties, and in the path you have to add file colon. So you will be adding file colon. That's all you need to do, and the rest of the path will be exactly the same. So once you have this whole thing here, you are good. So let me copy this one, put on here in SSMS, so you can see here. So file colon and then path of your image. Let's come back here, hit OK, and we can see that image is displaying correctly. So let's put it here. I'm going to add a text box here and say from local drive. Now the next part, what we will be doing here, go to insert and add a text box and say UNC path. So this image will be coming from the UNC. So think about a scenario where your report server is on different machine and images are on different machine. So you will not be putting the images on the local drive for the report server. So in this case we did here as on C drive, but if we are using different machines, we need to extract the images from other machine rather than report server machine. Then we have to provide the UNC path. So UNC path will look like this. If I go to the run, then I will write // my computer name. In this case is Amir PC. In your case it will be your server name where images are, and then you will provide disk ladder and then say $sign. Once you do that, hit OK. It will open that folder for you. In my case, my images are under the videos, so I have to go all the way users and then find let's say my username Amir, and then here let's find videos. So videos are here, and that's where my logo.gif is. So I'm going to copy this UNC path, come to the report here, insert image, select external, and then I will be writing something like this, file colon, and then provide the path. Let's put the path / logo.gif. Let me copy this one if I have to re-enter, and I might have to re-enter. Let me show you why. So if I will click OK, now you see that image is not displayed. So there isn't anything wrong here. We have done the same thing what we have done here, see file colon and provide the path, and the same thing what we did here, we provide file colon and then our path. So that's it is not taken. So one thing you notice that we had only single / and it added another one to each of the /, but here it did not added anything. So we can go ahead and add two of them here, and that will take care of it. That's one way to do it. Other way, I'm gonna go ahead and go to image properties and delete this entire thing then I will go to the fx, those are expression, remove the equal to sign, and now I will provide the same thing, file colon and just the UNC path. Now once I hit OK, it will see it evaluated or translated each single backslash to the double. So if you will go here and then just put the file, let's say here, see, if we go back to the expression and see, we don't have to put equal sign here. So if we put file colon and then UNC path, once we hit OK, it translates to double backslashes. So that's one thing you need to remember, and hit OK. Now we have done UNC path, we have done from local, and then the final part we would like to do from the website. So let's say you have some images, those are on the website, and you would like to display on your SSRS report. In my case, I don't have any website and I can't really get that for you, so I have to go to the Google. Let's go to the Google. I said logo, and once I search for logos, I need to go to images, and here I can use any. So let's say if we would like to use this multicolor apple, so click on this one, right click, go to say copy image URL, and come back to the SSMS, just paste the image. Okay, looks good. We go to the SQL Server Data Tools and the report, and right click, insert image external, and paste the link here. So once you do that, you see that this is a command just correct. So this is how you can use the images from external sources. Now this is all done. We can go ahead and deploy our report. So let's go ahead and deploy our report. Rename this one logo. I just want to show you, if we will deploy this report to the report server, will the logos or the pictures will be displayed correctly or not. So let's go ahead and do it. Right click, deploy, open the report server interface, and here is our logo file. Now we can see that coming from a local path, coming from UNC, and this is what we have copied from the internet just to show in this demo. So thanks very much for watching this video, and I will put these how to write the expressions in the description as well, so you can just copy and paste. And otherwise, once you watch the video, you understand these small tricks, how you need to paste the path of those images in the SSRS report when you are using them as external source. Once again, thanks, and I will see you guys in the next video.